Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Shada Shaurav. Today's session we are going to learn about java.lang.StringBuffer class. Now, StringBuffer class is one of the class available in java.lang package. If the content will change frequently, then never recommended to go for the string object because for every change, a new object will be created internally. To change this type of requirement, we should go for the string buffer concept. The main advantages of string buffer over string is all required changes will be performed in the existing objects only instead of creating a new objects. In the string buffer class, there is two constructors are available. One is the parameterized constructor and another one is the default constructor. The parameterized constructor creates an empty string buffer object with the default initial capacity is 16 characters. Once string buffer object reaches its the maximum capacity, a new string buffer objects will be created with the new capacity is equal to current capacity plus 1 into 2. Can show one example here. If you see this example string buffer object, if you see this one, I am creating a string buffer object. SB is equal to new string buffer object. I'm printing the SB dot capacity. It prints the 16. I'm filling the 16 characters. SB dot append. I'm filling the 16 characters. After that, I'm printing the SB dot capacity 16. After that, I'm appending one more character. Now, after that, I'm calling the SB dot capacity. It prints the 34. Why? Because initially, it gives the whenever we are creating a string buffer object, initially the capacity is 16. After that, we are appending anything to that one. It increases the capacity by using the current capacity plus 1 means 16 plus 1 17, total 17 into 2, that is the 34. Next, the one more constructor is available, that is the string buffer. With the parameterized constructor, it takes the integer value. The integer value indicates the initial capacity of the string buffer class. Creates an empty string buffer object with the specified initial capacity. I can show example here. If you see this example, I'm creating a string buffer object by indicating the capacity. I'm passing the value. This is called parameterized constructor. I'm passing the 19. It indicates the initial capacity of string buffer object. And now one more constructor is available, that is the string buffer. It takes the integer object, creates an equivalent string buffer object for a given string with the capacity s dot length plus 16. If you see this one, I'm calling string SB is equal to new string buffer of Sada Learning Hub. Now I'm calling SB dot capacity. It gives the 23. Now I'm explaining about some of the methods available in the string buffer class. There is a different methods are available in the string buffer class. The first method is length method. The length method returns the number of the characters available into that string. Next, capacity. The capacity method returns the total number of characters but a string buffer can accommodate, means hold. The next method is caret. It takes an integer object, it returns the character located at the specified index. Now I can show example here for that. If you see this example, I'm creating a StringBuffer demo. In this StringBuffer demo, I am creating an object of StringBuffer object. I'm calling sb.length. It prints the length of the string buffer object, means it prints the 26. Next is sp dot capacity. How much characters, how much string buffer capacity is the 34. Now sb dot caret of 14. What is the character available in the 14th? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the R. The 14th character is R. The next method is set caret. It takes a parameters, it takes an arguments called integer and a character to replace the character located at a specified index with the provided character. Now I can show example here for that. I'm creating class. In this class I'm creating an object of string buffer. In this string buffer I'm set char at 6th comma a. The 6th place we need to replace with a, means here we need to replace with this with, sorry, we need to replace s with a. Next I'm going to discuss about append method. The append method takes the different methods, means the append method is overloaded in the string buffer class. It takes the different arguments. The first argument is it takes the string arguments, and it takes the integer argument, it takes the long argument, it takes the boolean arguments, and takes the double argument, and it takes the float arguments. Now I can show here for that. These are the append is the overloaded method in the string buffer class. I'm creating a string buffer object here. I'm sb dot append of pi dot value, means it is appended to string buffer object. Now sb dot append of 3.14 means it exactly appends 3.14th place. Now sb dot append of this is exactly, means it appends the after that here. Now sb dot append of true. Now system.out.println, it prints pi value is 3.14. This is exactly true. It like this. It prints like this. Next, insert method. Insert method is also a overloaded method with the different arguments. Now in this example I'm creating an object of string buffer object. After that I'm calling the insert method sb dot insert of 6th. Whenever 6th position of this one, it inserts the Sada learning hub. After that 13th position I'm inserting the 9th. Finally it inserts like this: Vijay 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It inserts 9 here, 13th position, not here. This is the final output of this insert method. Next, delete method. The delete method characters from the beginning index to end -1 index. Next, delete caret. it deletes the character located at a specified index. I can show one example here. See, this is an example. I'm creating a string buffer object. In this string buffer object, sp. In this sp, I'm deleting the characters from 6 to 19. Means 2, 4, 5, 6. I'm deleted from here to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm deleted Sada earlier. Now, whenever we are doing this one, it prints after deleting, it prints like this Sada earlier. It deletes like this. Now, I am deleting particular position of a character. It deletes particular position of the character. It deletes 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it deletes A. Next, I'm going to discuss about reverse method. The reverse method is used to print the reverse of the character. I'm creating a one object here, StringBuffer object. I'm printing the StringBuffer object. After that, I'm printing the sb.reverse. Whenever we are calling the sb.reverse, it prints like this: b u h g n i n r a e r a e l a d a s a d a s a y a j i v. It prints like this. Next, one more method is set length of int length. It takes the length. Consider only specified number of characters and removed all the remaining characters. Next method is trim to size. To deallocate the extra free memory such that capacity and size of the equals method. Next is ensure capacity. To increase the capacity of dynamically based on our requirement. If you see this example, I'm creating a string buffer object. Now I'm calling the sb.capacity, means it returns the capacity of the string. After that, I'm calling the ensure capacity of 1000. Whenever we are calling the ensure capacity of the 1000, it allocates the 1000 characters. After that, whenever we are calling the sb.capacity, it returns the 1000. So these are the different methods are available in the string buffer class, and the constructors are available in the string buffer class. Finally, the string buffer class contains three constructors, which takes a parameterized constructors are available and default constructors are available, and these are the different methods available in the string buffer class.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel STringLearning Hub, because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.